In my today's tutorial, you will learn how to make this very beautiful and very bright wall decor using just cardboard and few glass mirrors. This is an upcycle project. Hi, I'm Shobori from hookedandloops.com. I make various kind of crafts tutorials in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's begin the tutorial. For this we will take a circular shaped cardboard and we will cover up the cardboard with plaster of Paris glue mixture. For that we will take 3 tablespoons of plaster of Paris, 3 tablespoons of Fevicol or any white glue of your choice, and 3 tablespoons of water, and we will mix it properly using a stirrer. The mixture should be homogeneous and smooth. It should be a little bit paste-like yet smooth and well flowing. And when your mixture is ready, just spread it on top of the cardboard using the palette knife. Just spread your mixture on top of the cardboard uniformly in the manner I am showing you. In this manner, we will fill up these spaces on top of the cardboard so that the mixture is homogeneously distributed on top of the cardboard. Just spread the paste using the palette knife in this manner. Finally, we will let our work to dry until it's completely hard and dried up, and when it's dried up we will just smoothen the surface using the sandpaper. Just rub the sandpaper on top of it and smoothen the surface on which you will be doing the painting. I have just done the outline of my painting, but before using any other color we will paint the surface completely white using the white colored acrylic paint. In this manner, the white colored acrylic paint will act as the primer for the paint we will be adding later on. So first we will cover it up with the white colored paint and let it dry. And once it's dried up, we will start painting on it using our desirable colors. I have used acrylic paints for painting the surface. So we will quickly complete our painting and I will meet you at the end of the painting. Okay? So the painting is nearly done. At the end of this, we will just do the outline of our drawing using black colored acrylic paint. We will do some designs on top of the auto rickshaw painting using the 3D liners. These are easily available in the market. You can do a black border for this wall decor. So at first do the outline of the border and then fill up the space with the black colored acrylic paint in this manner, and at the end just complete your work with a glass mirror border. So we will take small glass mirrors and stick them at the border in this manner using the Fevicol or hot glue gun, and in this manner we will complete our work. So I did further designs and completed my artwork, and I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. And thank you and have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.